Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making some farro in the Instant Pot. It is really easy for meal prepping and making salads and things. Here I've got a cup of farro. The ratio is 1 cup to 3 cups of water. So I'm putting in the cup of farro, and then you put in 3 cups of water. I was actually making a salad for church, so I was going to do 1.5 cups of farro to the ratio there. So you might see me put a little bit more, but if you follow the 3 to 1 ratio, I think you'll find that that works out well. And that is for the Bob's Mill farro, and there are directions on the back of the package. I have rinsed it here just to kind of give it a little head start and kind of separate out the starch. And then I'm just going to put the water in there. Very, very easy. And I'm going to add some kosher salt to that as well, just to season it. You could also put a tiny bit of oil in there. You could put other seasonings if you like. But depending on what you're using this for, if you wanted to make a large batch, and you could freeze this. So just going to put our lid on there. Make sure that you've got it on the ceiling so that you do some pressure cooking, and then just the high pressure cook. I've got an older pot here, but just for 12 minutes, and then you can quick release. Looks like I did 13, not sure. Oh, maybe because I had a tiny bit more. Who knows? 12 minutes is probably fine. But and then you can just do a quick release and drain that out, and it should be ready. But you can always just try some. I'm putting it out on a pie plate here so I can cool it. And when you get a second here, you can go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and check out any links below to my blog and books and affiliate links. That would be great. But moving along here, it's good to know a few basic things. I use my Instant Pot almost every day for rice and grains and eggs and so many just staple things. Just makes meal prepping a lot easier than making it out on the stovetop. Plus in the summer, it's a lot cooler. Anyway, thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.